The Oklahoma Route 66 Association is all about the Mother Road in Oklahoma. We've been around since 1989, and we're actually the only state association that was formed after legislative directive. Our project for the Project 66 grant is related to neon. Neon is such an attractive thing for people to stop and see. They'll take pictures of it, they'll pull over, wonder what the neon sign is advertising, go in maybe to the Rock Cafe and get a meal. Maybe they'll go into Grady's Pub in Yukon and catch a concert. Neon is also an art form, so it helps celebrate that unique part of what makes Route 66 such a special place. We applied for that grant, got the money, and are currently helping install multiple neon signs across the state of Oklahoma. Some in communities that have some signs that need some restoration, others that are brand new constructions, so it's a little bit of everything. We wouldn't be able to do this project without the Revitalization grant offered by the state of Oklahoma. The Oklahoma Route 66 Association is a nonprofit. We do the best with the money that we have, which a lot of that is promoting Route 66 throughout the state to a national and international audience. We're happy that through this grant that we're able to provide some direct assistance to businesses to restore their neon or to install some new signs, because that makes all the difference when a traveler is coming through. And we want to help ensure that people know what there is to see and do in Oklahoma, and a big neon sign is literally a beacon for them to follow.